Did you know that 93% of online experiences start with a search engine? Think about how often you use a search engine such as Google, Bing, YouTube, etc. There are search engines all around us and we are constantly using them. In today's world, we all turn to Google for answers, but this fact only touches the surface of the true importance of SEO and what it can do for your website. First, let's recap what SEO is. SEO is the process of improving your site to increase its visibility for relevant searches. This includes optimizing any given search word or term for a search engine on your website. SEO works around the clock and is your 24-hour salesman for your company. No matter what time of the day, when people are searching, you are still receiving that traffic and can be found. If you stop paying money to Google for paid ads, your traffic will therefore die down. But with SEO, you can still continually receive traffic without having to open your wallet. With that said, here are 5 reasons why SEO is so important. Number 1, SEO increases your traffic. One of the primary results of SEO is that it makes your site more visible in the organic search results. That's the regular search results, excluding the ads. Over 50% of traffic around the web entered websites by clicking on them in the organic search results. That means that websites who have invested in SEO are getting over 50% of the total traffic across the internet. And if they rank on the first page, they are seeing over 90% of that traffic. If you drill down into local search results or a niche market, the percentage is often even higher. Number 2, SEO generates a positive ROI. SEO ROI is a calculation that returns the ratio of profit to investment from an SEO campaign. A site will have a positive return on investment if SEO generates more organic revenue or conversions than the overall cost of the campaign. While initially it may take months for SEO to have a positive ROI, the return on investment can compound throughout the years. Number 3, SEO gives you brand awareness. As technology has developed, search engine algorithms have gotten smarter, more complex, and much more user-focused, with brands competing with a global market in an extremely noisy space. SEO is, therefore, an essential strategy to increase brand awareness. Google fosters business websites that have a strong brand presence aside from giving valuable information to users. They get better rankings with fewer links. If you want to do well in organic search results, branding and SEO should form the base of your marketing strategy. Number 4, SEO builds trust. SEO can make your brand stronger, better, and well recognized. The goal should be that when people search for relevant keywords and phrases, they should find you at the top of search results. This is where psychology takes over and prospects will believe that you're the best. If you're there, right on top of the search engine results pages, it goes a long way in boosting your credibility. If you're right where your customers are at the right moment with the right solution, you'll win big. Number 5, SEO is important because your competition is doing it. Need I say more? When you think of beating out competitors, you likely think of beating them in terms of revenue, the number of clients, or units sold. However, to beat your competitors in all areas of business, you first have to learn how to beat competitors using SEO. If you do not have a solid SEO strategy, you will fall behind your competition. If you feel as though your website is just not getting the traffic that it should be, let us at IFTS help with a customized SEO plan based on your marketing goals and objectives. Visit our website, iftsdesign.com, and contact us today so we can get started with your project and get your site on the road to ranking number 1.